Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-350, 2017 to 2019? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford F-350, 2017 to 2019, houses fuses and relays that protect essential interior electrical systems. It manages components like the power windows, audio system, interior lights, and climate controls. Each fuse is labeled for easy identification and service. It plays a key role in vehicle safety and electrical reliability. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2017 Ford F-350 contains high-current fuses and relays that protect vital engine and powertrain systems. It supports components such as the fuel pump, cooling fans, trailer tow module, and electronic power assist steering. This fuse box ensures proper distribution and safeguarding of electrical power under demanding conditions. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 and 2019 Ford F-350 provides protection and power distribution for critical engine and drivetrain components. It controls systems such as the ignition, fuel pump, cooling fans, and trailer tow circuits. Designed for durability, it handles high current loads essential for vehicle performance and safety. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.